Welcome to Still Moment Studio. My name is Paula. Today I'm going to be taking you through the painting of this Blacksmith Shop. As you can see, there's quite a bit of difference from my reference photo and the finished product. The reference photo has always been rather dull to me, and I've really struggled with even being interested in painting it. I love the subject matter, but in terms of colors and what I could do with it, it just felt very limited because it's browns, blacks, rather blah, that's not a sunny day. And I changed that up by washing cadmium yellow over the front face of the building, in through the yard and along this walkway right in front. That's what's known as an underwash. Then I washed ultramarine blue along the side and then over along this other building to really push back the side and this back building. And over top of that, then I layered my browns. So this is a soft layer of burnt sienna, very watery. Then there's a second, more medium value. I did mimic some of the coloring in the original by using burnt umber and black. So I give it a little bit of a dull wood feeling, but not going quite so far as that reference photo. Raw umber and black in the side of the building. Ultramarine blue, black, and raw umber for the doorway. Several layers to really darken that up. Ultramarine blue and black in the windows. Alizarin crimson on the wheel and anvil, and then I'll layer burnt umber and black on top. To create this painting, I'm using a layering technique, which involves using a light value of a single color and then moving a little bit darker, a little more pigment, to a medium value of that same color. And then a lot of times I'll move even further into that color. So less water, more pigment, and have a darker medium shade to create a lot of depth and richness in the painting in a very simple way. Light burnt umber details in the boardwalk. Then a medium value burnt umber and black mixture to create more distinct details. A light wash of cadmium yellow and oxide of chromium. The upper wheel is burnt umber, black, and ultramarine blue just to give it a little bit more distinction against the face of the building. Penciling in the letters for the sign, and then I'll just paint a little to either side to create the negative space around white lettering. Ultramarine blue for the sky, and then touches of water to soften up the clouds. Thank you for joining me. If you're interested in the paintbrushes I use or the colors, I've listed those over on my website. I've left the link down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.